Actors and actresses are some of the most charming and courageous people on the face of the earth. They deal with more day-to-day rejection in 1 year than most people do in a lifetime. Each day, actresses face the financial challenge of living a freelance lifestyle, the disrespect of people who think they should get real jobs, their own fear that they will never work again. Every day, they have to ignore the possibility that the vision to which they have dedicated their life. No one is perfect in the beginning. When watching television, a beautiful and famous actresses appear. These actors make it look like her career is the best thing to do. It takes much practice to become a professional actress. Role models are the beginning of forming an inspiration. They also help form an interest for what they do. When that interest is clarified, you begin to practice this skill to become similar to the role model. The skill must be practiced continuously in order to succeed. In the beginning of one is not definite of the skill that form the career. Many actresses state that their role model encouraged them to become a greater person. Other actresses say that their role model helped them do things they never thought they could do. When they accomplish more than what they accept, they feel greatly inspired. Actresses push themselves to become better and better each time they appear on television or movies. Some actresses have other careers they participate in, like modeling or singing. Actresses must make efforts to remain the best because they are afraid that their fame will fade quickly. They must obtain also all of the qualities the society will remember them for. If actresses were not confident of their career, they would look pathetic because they would not have the passion to work as hard as those who love what they do. In society today, actresses can gain support if they are beautiful. Most actresses become popular if they are star in a stage, movie or television show with a famous actor. Actresses often become well known if they have a relationship with famous actors. Some actresses are just there because they have priceless faces, but the ones who succeed are the ones who show enjoyment in their career. The most successful actresses of our time are the ones with beautiful physical appearance and show the love for their career. But some young actresses become greedy and needy.